Imagine this. What if some of the most powerful medicine wasn't inside a pharmacy, but sitting inside your kitchen? What if the food you eat every single day could help your body repair itself, protect your heart, improve your brain, reduce dangerous inflammation, support healthy stem cells, and even help your body defend itself against cancer? Sounds impossible? According to modern science, it isn't. Here's the shocking warning. Every minute, millions of cells inside your body die. Your arteries experience tiny injuries. Your muscles slowly age. Your brain loses healthy connections. Your DNA faces attacks from inflammation, toxins, poor sleep, stress, and unhealthy food. But here's the miracle. Your body was designed to repair itself. Hidden inside your body are incredible repair systems. One of the most fascinating involves stem cells. These remarkable cells help replace damaged tissue. They support healing. They help maintain healthy organs. And researchers are learning more every year about how lifestyle, including food, influence the environment these cells work in. But here's the danger. The modern diet is working against you. Ultra-processed foods, too much sugar, too much refined fat, too little fiber, too little colorful vegetables, too little movement. This combination fuels chronic inflammation. It harms insulin balance. It damages blood vessels. It increases unhealthy fat storage. And over time, it weakens the body's natural repair systems. Today, I'm sharing 5 incredible foods backed by fascinating research that support your body's natural healing environment. These foods won't perform miracles overnight. They aren't cancer cures, but they may help create healthier conditions inside your body, supporting cell health, healthy metabolism, immune function, and overall wellness. Food number 5 surprised even many researchers. Stay until the end, because it may completely change the way you think about eating. Let's begin. Before we talk about food, let's understand something important. What exactly are stem cells? Think of them as your body's emergency repair team. Unlike ordinary cells, stem cells have the unique ability to become different types of cells when your body needs repairs. When tissue is injured, these cells help replace damaged cells. Scientists continue studying exactly how nutrition influences these processes. The exciting discovery? The environment inside your body matters. Healthy blood flow matters. Healthy arteries matter. Reduced inflammation matters. Balanced insulin matters. Good oxygen delivery matters. Everything is connected. Let's explore the foods. Food 5. Broccoli sprouts tiny. Simple, but incredibly powerful. Broccoli sprouts contain high amounts of sulforaphane. This natural plant compound has become one of the most researched nutrients in nutrition science. Studies suggest sulforaphane supports the body's antioxidant defenses. It activates protective enzymes. It helps cells respond to oxidative stress. Researchers are also investigating how it influences healthy cellular function and inflammation. The best part? Broccoli sprouts contain far more sulforaphane precursors than mature broccoli. Just a handful can make a difference as part of a balanced diet. Food Statue 4. Green tea 1 cup. That's all it takes to begin changing the conversation. Green tea contains catechins, especially EGCG. These plant compounds have been widely studied for their effects on metabolism and cell holes. Research suggests they may support healthy blood vessels, reduce oxidative stress, and assist normal fat metabolism. Green tea also supports healthy circulation. Healthy blood flow means better delivery of nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. Your heart benefits. Your brain benefits. Your cells benefit. Food sub is 3 berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, nature's colorful medicine. Their deep colors come from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants. These compounds help fight free radicals. Free radicals damage cells. They accelerate aging. They contribute to chronic inflammation. Eating berries regularly supports healthy blood vessels, improves vascular function, supports healthy brain aging, and provides fiber that helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Stable insulin means less fat storage, more energy, better metabolic health. Food #2. Extra virgin olive oil. For thousands of years, Mediterranean cultures have treasured this food. Modern science is finally catching up. Extra virgin olive oil contains polyphenols. These natural compounds support heart health, healthy arteries, healthy circulation, reduced oxidative stress. Replacing unhealthy fats with olive oil may improve cholesterol profiles and support overall cardiovascular health. Always choose high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Cold-pressed, fresh, rich in flavor. Food Cac 1. Mushrooms. This may be the biggest surprise. Certain edible mushrooms provide beta-glucans, natural fibers that support normal immune function. Research continues exploring how mushrooms interact with the immune system and the gut microbiome. Healthy immunity plays an important role in your body's everyday surveillance against abnormal cells. Different mushrooms provide different compounds. Shiitake, maitake, oyster mushrooms, lion's mane, each offers unique nutritional benefits. Adding a variety to your meals is a simple way to diversify your diet. Why these foods work together. Here's the secret. It's not one superfood, it's the combination. One food supports your heart. Another supports your brain. Another supports healthy blood sugar. Another helps reduce inflammation. Another nourishes your gut. Together, they create an internal environment where your body can function at its best. Healthy cells, healthy blood, healthy oxygen delivery, healthy metabolism. This is what preventive nutrition is all about. Practical tips. Now let's make this easy. Start your morning with berries. Drink green tea instead of sugary drinks. Add broccoli sprouts to sandwiches or salads. Cook with extra virgin olive oil. Eat mushrooms 2 or 3 times each week. Walk after meals. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Reduce processed food. Eat more colorful vegetables. Stay hydrated. Exercise regularly. Manage stress. Every healthy habit adds another layer of protection. Small changes, repeated every day, lead to big results. Remember, you don't become healthier overnight. You become healthier one meal, one walk, one decision at a time. Call to action. Your body is always listening to what you eat. Every bite sends a message. Will that message promote health or disease? Will it support your heart, your brain, your blood, your cells, or slowly work against them? The choice is yours. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need miracle cures. You need consistent, healthy habits. Start with just one food from today's list. Then add another and another. Months from now, your future self may thank you. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more science-based nutrition content that helps you understand how food influences your health. Share this video with someone you care about, because one healthy meal can become one healthier life. And remember, the most powerful medicine often begins with what's already on your plate.